Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Aisha Wasim taking chemistry of class 9. The topic of this presentation is downcell. Downcell is basically designed to manufacture sodium metal. And why we need to manufacture sodium metal? Because sodium does not exist in the form of pure sodium in nature. This is a very reactive metal. Mostly it exists in the form of sodium chloride. It also combined with other nonmetals to produce other salts. Sodium is not found in pure state in nature, so it is extracted from its salt. The downcell uses sodium chloride to produce sodium metal. So, the process is based on electrolysis of fused sodium chloride. The word electrolysis means breaking down with the help of electricity. The word lysis is used for breakdown. Electrolysis means breakdown by using electricity. The word fused is used for molten state. In order to produce sodium metal, we use molten sodium chloride. The byproduct in this process is chlorine gas. Since sodium chloride is made from sodium and chloride ions, the sodium ions convert into sodium metal, while chloride ions are used to make chlorine gas. So chlorine is its byproduct. The cell used to manufacture sodium metal is called downcell. It is a type of electrolytic cell, means a cell which uses electricity to derive a chemical reaction. Here we will use electricity to produce sodium metal from sodium chloride. It consists of graphite anode. This electrode in the center is made of graphite and it will act as anode. The cathode here is made of iron. This ring-shaped electrode is made of iron and it will act as cathode. The electrolyte here is fused NaCl. Fused means molten. The cell is completely filled with molten NaCl. Why we need fused NaCl? Basically, the solid NaCl, sodium and chloride ions are fixed in their position and they cannot move towards electrode. So, we have taken molten NaCl so that sodium and chloride ions can move towards their respective electrode. The sodium ions, being positively charged, will move towards cathode, which is negatively charged. Cathode is the one where reduction takes place. Since sodium carry positive charge, in order to become neutral, it must gain electron. And gain of electron is called reduction, which takes place at cathode. Chloride ions, being negatively charged, move towards positive electrode. Here, chloride ions will lose electron. The loss of electron is called oxidation, which takes place at anode. This diagram shows the transverse section of downcell. Here, you can have a better understanding of different shapes. This is anode where chloride ions will move. This was the ring-shaped cathode towards which sodium ions will move and they will convert into sodium metal. After converting into sodium metal, the sodium metal being less dense than the sodium chloride, so it will rise up in this tube where it is collected separately. The chloride ions which were moving towards anode, here they will lose electrons and convert into chlorine gas. Chlorine, being gas, will rise up in the form of bubbles and is collected here. Have a look how down cell works. In the down cell, sodium ions move towards cathode. This is the ring-shaped cathode where sodium ions, by gaining electrons, convert into sodium metal which is collected separately. The chloride ions, being negatively charged, move towards positively charged anode. Here it loses electron and converts into chlorine gas which is collected separately. So, the sodium ions are reduced to sodium metal. The chloride ions are oxidized to chlorine gas. Oxidation means loss of electron. Sodium metal and chlorine gas are collected separately. Here we are collecting sodium metal and chlorine gas is collected here. These are the reactions taking place in down cell. We have taken molten NaCl, which means sodium and chloride ions are free to move. The reactions take place at anode and cathode separately. At anode, oxidation takes place. Oxidation means loss of electrons. Chloride ions, their negative charge indicate that chlorine has gained electrons. In order to become neutral, chloride ion must lose electron and convert into chlorine gas. The formula for chlorine gas is Cl2. So we have taken two chloride ions which will lose two electrons and convert into chlorine gas. At cathode, reduction takes place. Reduction means gain of electrons. Here, sodium carries positively charge. This positive charge indicates that sodium has lost electrons. In order to become neutral, it must gain electron. We have taken two sodium ions here in order to balance the two chloride ions that are losing two electrons at anode. So, in order to gain these two electrons, we have taken two sodium ions. These two sodium ions will gain these two electrons to convert into pure sodium metal. I hope this presentation will be helpful in understanding down cell. Allah Hafiz.